Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and a quick little video today on my interpretation of day 20 and 21 of the Dephemerember challenge and the prompts, which I've just put onto one page in my mum's Boho Journal for her 75th birthday. I'll show you my thought process in the video now. I'm combining Dephemerember days, which will be 20 and 21, and not creating lots of ephemera as I did at the beginning of the challenge, just doing a page that satisfies the prompts. The prompts are wax, snowflower, number, tea bag label. This is some ephemera that was already made as part of the Dephemerember challenge. I think it was part of that challenge, or it's under interesting ideas. I can't remember. This is part of the wax prompt, because under interesting ideas is how to make your normal printed paper semi-opaque using beeswax. There's a video on that. It's a very short video. It's really cool. I'm going to include that on here, not that you could write on it, I don't think, because it's quite waxy. This is part of the decoration on here. I also think adding some material will give it a reason for being. It's kind of an odd design at the moment. I feel like it needs more something. And I do have these flowers. I can't remember what they were actually, but they are natural to India. I'm wondering if I even need this. Problem is, I need to get this tea bag label on there, because that's looking quite pretty like that. And I do actually have a tea bag including the label, and I'm wondering if I don't secure that down too much, could that be like a little pocket type thing? It's a little odd. Maybe we do something here that's almost a pocket. I think I'll do that. I'll just scrabble around in those peacock printables to see what else there is that could make a pocket. I have the non-waxed version, which, well, it's got a bit of wax on the bottom where it's spread, so you can see the difference. And maybe if I cut that out and make that a pocket. With this being see-through, a better glue is either a silicone or double-sided tape. I think I've run out of double-sided tape, so I'm going to use silicone glue to put that down. So that glue doesn't show through too much. When I've put it down, I'm then going to lightly smudge it, which will help hide its existence a little bit. Hopefully we're not going to see too much of that glue. This, to make it a pocket, I'm only going to glue down two sides, that one, and at the bottom, so the pocket's actually at the top. And I did quite like having this material down the inside, but I do want maybe the flowers appearing as well from under the material. Thought we'd scatter the flowers across the page. Pop a butterfly on maybe. Do the white ones still go with all that blue? I think it's okay. It breaks it up a bit actually. And I quite like that positioning, so I'm going to go with getting this down. It's time to turn these into frost or snow flowers, or whatever the prompt said. I have two gel pens here, silver and white, to represent snow, frost, and to match in with the colours that are already here. Just going to do some very light sketchy stuff over the flowers in the two pens. I was thinking with snow we'll kind of do this type of thing. Doesn't make it easy, but this is a slightly different sort of proposition, I think. So I'm going in a bit thicker on this one. do that with this one. Not actually trying to cover up the blue, I'm just trying to get that snowy kind of look. Oh, it's so cute. I was going to flick some snow about, but I'm not sure that I need to. That'll do. Okay, that's it. Day 20 and 21 complete. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help others see it. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. I do 3 to 5 or even more videos per week on all things junk journaling, art journaling, ephemera making, planning, and a few other things. I'm not quite sure what. Shopping hauls. There you go. There's another one. And let me know what you think of my interpretation of these prompts down in the comments below. And I will see you next time.